This afternoon, we're at Lakes at Laurel, Highlands, and right behind me is a D.R. Horton home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a wonderful neighborhood, great location, close to the Polk County Parkway. You can get to I-4 within a matter of minutes. It has nice amenities such as a clubhouse, pool, workout facility. It's just loaded. And let me show you a little bit of the neighborhood and also give you a walkthrough tour of this home. Let's go check it out. So here's the exterior, and you can see it's a nice clean look. It's got a tree right in the front. Wonderful street. By the way, no neighbor facing the house to the left. There's no neighbors there. They're putting in a pool in the back. That's for the back of the other home behind it. But no neighbors right here, which is kind of nice. So you just have one neighbor to the right-hand side. It does have a fence backyard, which I'll show you that in a minute. Nice, quiet neighborhood. Having a beautiful day here in Lakeland, Florida. And as you can see, there's a lot of great things happening here in this community. They have a lot of activities and nice pool, clubhouse. But let's take a look at the inside of this home. As you can see here, also 2-car garage. They've got the landscaping updated with some fresh mulch. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split design. Let's take a walk in here and get an idea of how this property flows. So you can see when you first walk in, it's a nice open floor plan. Heading back to the left, you've got the kitchen space, which is plenty of countertop and cabinet space. There's a kitchen or a food pantry right here. And this is great because it just opens out into the living room. Please pass me a Coke Zero. Sure, here you go. Where's my nachos for the game? Put you a nice big screen right here. Any football fans out there? Who's your team? Comment below. Of course, we're in Lakeland, which is close to Tampa. Hint, hint. Not to mention the Bucks are 3-0. But let me get back to business. So, nice size eating kitchen table area. You can see massive area here. Put a round table, a rectangle table. I love this because there's 3 windows that open up for lots of natural light. So a really nice size area. You could even come back here, put a small little table here if you wanted to for a coffee bar, what have you. It's got the refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and range. Nice backsplash. They've done some nice work to it. It's a really practical floor plan. Nice and open. So let me show you this. So there is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath here. The master bedroom and bath are in the rear of the home for privacy. You can see, looking back into the kitchen area here. All right, so let's come back to the master bedroom, the primary suite. And you're gonna notice, first of all, a little hard to tell through video, but a good sized bedroom. You can kind of see the floor space. It is a nice size master bedroom. Coming into the master bath, you have double sinks. You've got the raised cabinets here. Nice size mirror, shower, linen closet, ceramic tile flooring here in the wet area. And then your toilet space is back here, and then a nice size walk-in closet. Plenty of space. You could even add some additional shelving if you'd like. So a nice size master bath area. Let's walk back up and see the remainder of the house. You can also see a chandelier here. So you could easily put a dining table here. So you could have a nook table if you'd like, or even put a dining set here, whatever you would prefer to do. And coming down the hallway to the right, this is the laundry room area. So it's set up for full-size washer and dryer. That's to the 2-car garage. You can even see the deluxe doors. So it's got the panels in the doors, which is really nice. Coming straight back this way, this is the other full bath. Same type of countertop and cabinets. That is a tub shower combination, which is great. So it's very easy to clean, and there is a linen closet right behind here. which is always good for towel storage or what have you. Now this is where the water heater is, a little bit additional storage in this area. This is one of the spare bedrooms with a window, the closet. We're going to call this the purple room. And then, this could have been a girl's room, just saying. And then you get the other bedroom here, the blinds, and then the closet area. So very well laid out home. Close to 1,800 square feet of living area, nice size. Now what's great about this lanai is you can do a couple different things with it. You could leave it open like they have now. Just leave it open and kind of hang out here once in a while. Probably not so this month, a little toasty here in mid-September, although it's getting a little bit nicer. Or you could screen this in if you'd like, because it is under truss, so it's not an add-on aluminum roof. It is a nice size porch, and then of course the fenced backyard here with PVC fencing, which is great. Air conditioning, a little shade tree back here. So a really nice setup, wonderful starter home, investment property. If you work in Tampa, anywhere in Southwest Lakeland, you would be so close to work. You can hit the Polk County Parkway really quickly and head to Tampa. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this home. I would love to show it to you. All my contact information is below. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. I hope you've enjoyed this video tour on this beautiful home here at Lakes at Laurel Highlands. To get more information on this home, or if you'd like to see it in person, I'd love to give you a private tour, myself or one of my team members. All my contact information is below to book a tour. Let's connect and talk about your real estate needs. And if you like this real estate channel, do me a favor, subscribe to it, hit the notification button. Whenever I drop more video walkthroughs like this one or other valuable real estate content, you'll get notified. Have a great day. God bless.